Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the amenity kit for business class on ITA Airways. More like Alitalia, because everything is branded Alitalia. It's the Magnifica amenity kit here with the Salvatore Ferragamo bag. And shortly I'll show you the contents, but I'll tell you first, you've got some fragrance, a little sample bottle of some Salvatore Ferragamo fragrance, body lotion, lip balm. You've got toothbrush, toothpaste, and also with socks, eye mask, and some cleansing towels to go with that. So this is what's offered currently on ITA Airways in the airline amenity kit. I imagine in the future they'll be branded with ITA instead of Alitalia, as the card that comes with it still says Alitalia on it. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.